All right, here we go. Got a box for my birthday from my better half here from the Louis Vuitton store. Let's see what's in here, and how we open this, and how it's packaged. Let's see. All right, ready? Oh. See how well they ship it all the way from Paris. Ooh, look, the box even has their name on it and everything. How about that? Okay, well, let's just take all of this handy stuff out for a minute. I'll bring it back. They package it up pretty well with the whole fancy box. Probably no extra charge. How about that? So there's some stuff in here. Let's see what this is. How about that? In case I want to return it. Not happening. And a little happy birthday wish in this nice envelope. And then there's a little thing here.
I didn't write anything fancy. It was just happy birthday.
Look, it even says Louis Vuitton on the little ribbon. How about that? All right. And I'm assuming a little card of some sorts in here with its little logo and name on it or whatever. Look at a baby little envelope.
Oh my goodness.
Like a whole legit envelope here. How about that? And there's nothing in there. That's it. I got a blank piece of paper.
So you could re-gift it to somebody.
That's true. There you go. Not happening. Anyway, well, that was interesting. And in here, how does this open? Let's see. Oh, look at that. Even though there's a box, it's got a push button on it. So it seals. I got to push the button to open it. Wild. Okay, here we go. We got a little bag that it comes in and everything. Cool. And then we can open up the Avenue Sling bag from Louis Vuitton. There's a little black crossbody Avenue Sling bag.
It's got that new leather smell.
Yes, it does. And a new leather smell. How about that? Where are we at? And then we got another little pouch here for me to put all my casino winnings in, because I'll probably only wear this in the casino. Look, black leather Louis. How about that?
Happy birthday.
Yeah, that's a good birthday present for the next 5 years. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.